My name's Cesar Lozano, and I'm from Team 65, representing the 621 Contingency Response Wing. The fastCHECK, I would say, was super simple. You just hold it and wait 5 seconds, and it tells you the lowest points and the highest points, compared to the traditional tool when you have to zero it out and do multiple checks to get the right measurements. It'll probably just reduce a lot of man hours.
I am Jamie Varela.
I'm Colton Vanderplug,
And we're representing
Universal Technical Institute of Houston.
It was fast. It was really impressive how accurate and fast it went. Just an instant click was.
I definitely preferred it over the little press measurement.
I don't know, it was just easier. It was better. Like, it felt like it was just a breeze, just clicking. I liked it.
If it was available to me, I'd use it every day.
Yeah, my name is Staff Sergeant Arnetta. I'm with Team Chinook. We're representing a 128 Aviation Brigade in Fort Eustis, Virginia. It's just very cool because it's just one click, and then it imprints what I guess the flushness of the rivets, and then it tells you if it's high or low. So it's so quick.
Albert Padilla, American Airlines Line Maintenance, team number 54. It's user-friendly, easy to use, very intuitive. I think that it definitely showcases the usefulness versus the traditional method. So, I mean, in a matter of 2 minutes, we got the scan, as Vice spending upwards of 15 on a couple of fasteners. I think it minimizes error from that perspective. Oftentimes, traditional method, we may be looking into things that we just don't need to look into, and the fastCHECK eliminates the user error. It has proven to be useful, not just in the MRO capacity or manufacturing, structural repairs and things of that nature. It's certainly useful.
Very quick, very easy to use. I just liked how simple and how quick it was. Yeah. So much faster, so much easier. That needs to be at every airline.